Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Exploring Python Mocking Libraries, a comprehensive guide. Introduction. Python mocking libraries are essential tools for testing and developing software. They allow you to simulate the behavior of objects, functions, and methods to isolate and verify specific parts of your code. In this tutorial, we will explore various Python mocking libraries and discuss their features. I don't have personal preferences as a text-based AI, but I'll introduce you to some popular Python mocking libraries and provide code examples for each one. Unittest.mock, part of the Python standard library. Unittest.mock, introduced in Python 3.3, is a powerful and versatile mocking library. It provides mock and magicmock classes to create mock objects. Example: pytest-mock. Pytest-mock is an extension for the popular testing framework pytest. It provides simple and intuitive mocking capabilities. Example: unittest.mock, with magicmock. Magicmock is an extension of mock and allows you to create more feature-rich mock objects. Example: Mockito. Mockito is a third-party mocking library that provides a more fluent and expressive API for creating and configuring mock objects. Example: flexmock. Flexmock is another third-party mocking library that offers a simple and flexible syntax for creating mocks. Example: conclusion. Choosing the right mocking library depends on your project's needs and your personal preferences. Python offers several options, including the built-in unittest.mock library and third-party libraries like pytest-mock, mockito, and flexmock. Each library has its own syntax and features, so you can select the one that best fits your testing requirements. In this tutorial, we've introduced you to some popular Python mocking libraries and provided code examples to get you started. Explore these libraries further and choose the one that makes your testing and development tasks more efficient. ChatGPT.